Hello and welcome. My name is Karolina. In this video, I will be discussing the difference between unsaturated, supersaturated, and saturated solutions and how each one can be formed. Now let's get started. What is a saturated solution? A saturated solution has the amount of dissolved or aqueous solute at equilibrium with the solid compound. In other words, no more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature in the solvent without some of the aqueous solute precipitating. At a molecular level, a saturated solution represents that every solid molecule is used to bond with the molecule or atom of the solute. There is no more solvent to dissolve the solute. In this image, we see that there is some solid at the bottom of the beaker. This shows that the solution is saturated, as even some of the solid dissolves, some precipitates, so the overall net concentration of solute remains constant. Unsaturated solutions have lower concentrations of solute, meaning that more solute can be dissolved in the solvent. We also have something called supersaturated solutions. Supersaturated solutions have a higher concentration of dissolved solute than saturated solutions. How can they form if, as stated before, adding any more solute to a saturated solution at equilibrium will result in an equal precipitation of that solute? So a couple of factors affect solubility in this way. For example, a change of temperature can result in a supersaturated solution. As temperature increases, solubility increases as well. So a saturated solution at 70 degrees Celsius, if then cooled to 50 degrees Celsius, becomes supersaturated, assuming that none of the solute precipitated. Another factor is pressure. Increasing the pressure of a system can lead to more solute dissolving in a solution, particularly when dissolving gases, for instance, soda. This can also result in a supersaturated solution. A third factor is the volume of a solvent. For instance, by first making a saturated solution and then heating it to evaporate the solvent will lead to a supersaturated solution as the concentration of the solute increases, even if the amount of the solute remains constant. So the most common way to make a supersaturated solution is manipulating the temperature. So again, these were just some factors that affect solubility. Can you think of anything else that we can manipulate to change the solubility of solutions? Thank you very much for listening to my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. See you next time!